Welcome! This video shows step by step on how to use the Intelligent Urban Energy tool iURBAN. Open your internet browser and type this. It is better to use Google Chrome. From the welcome page you can enter to the tool by clicking on the login button here. When you click on this circle down, you can go to a second welcome page and go back. From here, you can visit the project website by clicking Learn More and explore. This is the project website. I'm going back to the welcome page and I will press Login. Insert your username and password. Have you forgotten your password or username? Click here and add the email that you use for iURBAN and press Send. We will send you an email with your information. Back in the initial page, type your password and press Login. You now have accessed the tool. This is the main page for checking all consumptions. To navigate into the website, go to the toolbar on the top. From this toolbar you can access your installations, in case you have more than one, and your notifications. By clicking your username, you can access to Settings, Help, and Logout button. If you have more than one installation, before start managing your account, you go to the Installations and select the one you want to manage. In Notification page, you can review all incidents, events, or changes related with your consumption and demand response. From this calendar, you can select the day you want to check. And from here, you can mark as read or delete your notifications. Press OK if you agree, or cancel if you don't want to make any change. To manage your settings, you click on the username and click in the submenu. The setting windows allow you to change your password, select the preferred language, and choose between Celsius and Fahrenheit. You can also select your time zone. Here you can add your phone number and your email in which you want to receive iURBAN notifications. By clicking on Advanced button, you can choose the type of notifications you want to obtain according to each section and how this will be sent to you, for example by email or SMS. When you make your selections, don't forget to press Save. Going back to the settings, you can enable or disable your demand response program, select your default installation, and the section you want to see as default when opening your iURBAN tool. We definitely recommend you to add your email and phone number. This will allow the platform to send you alerts when your consumption is high, energy efficiency advices, and energy challenges. Going up to the toolbar again, on your username, you can find the Help button. Here are the frequently asked questions. You can scroll down or use the search engine to find the answer you want. Do you have a question that is not on the list? Just click the Ask a Question button, send us your question, and we will answer you by email as quick as possible. Type your question and click Ask. To start using the tool, place your pointer over Dashboard and a submenu will appear. Move your pointer over the desired section and click on it to access where you want. When access consumption, you find information about the different services being monitored by your system. Color rings around each icon will give you a quick reminder of your consumption compared to the previous day. The circle can be red, orange, or green. Red indicates bad performance, orange indicates neutral trend, and green, good performance. Values are presented in percentages and they can be positive or negative. Positive values indicate that you are consuming more than yesterday, and negative values indicate they are consuming less. Click on electricity. On this page you find information about your daily, weekly, and monthly consumption. During the initial periods, the icon displays no values, as is the time where iURBAN learns your consumption habits. Starting on the second day, second week, and the second month, the icon will show information comparing your current consumption with that of the previous equivalent period. The system is learning your energy use habits for about 1 month. Your tree will fill up as you adopt more efficient habits. For every day you use at least 5% less energy compared to a similar day, your tree fills up. The neighbor's tree fills up based upon an average consumption of your peers who are also using iURBAN. Are you above or below the average? Can you stay ahead of your neighbors? See which days you achieved a tree by clicking on them. You will see your daily consumption during the month as well as the days that you've saved energy. Here you can see how many trees you've won, on which days. Going back to the main page, on the bottom you find useful tips on how to improve your performance. If you click the tips box, you will go to a page with more detailed information of all iURBAN tips related to electricity, heating, gas and water. You can select either one of them or search by keywords to find what you need. If you want detailed information about your consumption so far, today, this week or this month, just click in one of the circles. This new page shows consumption in kilowatt hours, as well as how much you are predicted to consume by the end of the day, week or month. When you click one of the values, a bar chart will appear detailing actual consumption compared to forecasted consumption. If you are a prosumer, you can see how much of your electricity consumption is covered by your solar panels. By running your pointer over the bar chart, you can see detailed energy use information. From notifications, you can access the demand response section. Demand response challenges will be sent to you from time to time. If you want to see the challenge, just click on the message. Here you have all the information you need to achieve the challenge, the time, the task and reward, and also tips on how to achieve it. Each challenge offers an award. Down there is a button called Scheduler. From them, if you click there, you can go to another window where you can schedule some of your energy consumption sources and adjust them according to your weekly program. Apart from electricity, you can also review heating, gas and water consumption, and this depends on the agreement with your service provider. All follow a similar interface and concept, however they have some differences. For example, if you go to heating, you can see that the page is very similar. Click on one of the circles, for example the day, and then you can go to monitor devices. In monitor devices, you can see your consumption spent in water or heating in percentages. If you click in one of the numbers, you can see your consumption by hour. And then select your time period of preference. These were the most important information for the iURBAN tool. You can now log out and leave the iURBAN tool until the next time.